a cheap way.
Singletary and an amen kind of love on your Pepper Connection KBOE. And well done, goodness, my ring for your finger. Coming up, we'll hear from Jason Aldean and also Mindy McCready before an ABC News update for you at the top of the hour. And our KBOE weather for tonight. Look for a partly cloudy sky with an overnight low down to 12 degrees. For tomorrow, partly cloudy, about 40 for the high. Tomorrow night, a 20% chance of snow after about 9 o'clock tomorrow night. Partly cloudy at 23 for the low. Wednesday, cloudy 32. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a low of around 12. And then for your Thursday, partly cloudy and a high of about 26 degrees. Currently, winds to the north at around 5 miles an hour. It's now 21 at Comfort Connection, KBOE. Happy holidays and season's greetings from Custom Draperies. To show their thanks to their many faithful customers over the past year, they're having a $1 a yard fabric sale. Stop in and check out their selection at 117 First Avenue West in Oskaloosa. Check out the daily specials at the Goodwill store located in Oskaloosa 10 Central Mall. The money you spend at Goodwill supports employment and training opportunities for individuals with disabilities. Thanks to the community for your continued patronage. Open Monday through Friday 9 to 8, Saturday 9 to 6, and Sunday noon to 5. It matters where you spend your money. Patronizing local businesses brings tax dollars to the community, which have helped to pay for the library renovation, the law enforcement center, and continues to improve our school facilities. Patronizing local businesses helps them prosper, creates part-time and full-time job opportunities, and strengthens the entire community. Show your support, start your holiday shopping at home, and make Oskaloosa your first choice. This message brought to you by Custom Draperies, Brown Shoe Fit, the Oskaloosa Area Chamber and Development Group, Oskaloosa Herald, and KBOE.
For the Young Lawn and Landscape, one of the real joys of the holiday season is the special opportunity to say thank you and to send best wishes for the new year. Season's greetings from your friends at the Young Lawn and Landscape of Oskaloosa. Visit them on the web at theyounglawn.com. Tired of washing dishes? Stop in at Van Ruppel Appliance for your GE dishwasher selection, built-in or portable. GE dishwashers are quiet, dependable, and good quality. Special pricing on all in-stock GE dishwashers with installation available. Van Ruppel Appliance, just 2 miles east of Oskaloosa on Highway 92. Offers professional sales and service and is locally owned. Special financing available.
For this week only, just in time for Christmas, locally owned Slumberland Furniture Oskaloosa's Furniture Special is a burgundy leather recliner for just $299. Ask about it and the Slumberland Furniture gift card, the gift that always fits. Slumberland Furniture Oskaloosa, located in the Heartland Center on Oskaloosa's east side.
The best country, 104.9 FM, KBOE.
These are the letters I cut out at work.